Construction of 30 degrees. See this construction of 30 degrees. So I will teach you how to construct that question. You have to write the steps. So construction of 30 degrees. Before this, we have to construct the 60 degrees. Then after that, if you do the angle bisector, you will get 30 degrees. Right? Okay. So first step, what we have to do in that? First, draw a ray. A, B. Okay, AB is a ray. Okay, start with me, it will be easy for you. Okay, so take any convenient radius. Okay, that's our choice. Take with any convenient radius. Start from the center as the A. Take the center as the A. Draw an arc. So first, what we have done? First, draw a line, okay, or draw a ray AB in the center as A. We have to make center as A. Then draw an arc, okay, with the same radius. Don't change the radius. Put a pointer on this C, the point C, where it is intersecting on AB, okay. Then cut this previous arc. Now the point D. Right? Okay. Now what you have to do with the dotted lines, just join this one. This is angle 60 degrees. Right? If you measure, it will be a 60 degrees angle. Done? Okay. Now what you have to do, from this A, C and D, in between these two only we have to bisect this angle only we have to bisect, right? So what you have to do? With the same radius, or you can take more than half. From put a pointer on C, see here. Everyone, I have closed this one, right? From point C to D, take more than half. Here, it's a more than half. Right? Danish, it's a more than half. Draw an arc here. Okay? Done? With the same radius, don't change this. Now put a pointer on D. Cut this arc. Done? A, B, C, D. So this is E. Now join point A, E. That is 30 degrees. After drawing this, measure that one, it will be 30 degrees. Exactly 30 degrees, right? The next is, what is the next one? 22 and half. Okay, so first is 22 and half. How? Half of 45 is the 22 and half. So half of 45. So first what we have to do? First construct the 90 degrees. Then half of that one, it will be 45. Again half of that one, it will be 22 and half. Okay? Do with me. Those who are not getting, do with me. It will be easy for you. Okay? Or those who have got, you can start doing. See here, for 22 degrees angle, first thing we have to start with the 90 degrees. So first, take a ray A, B. Clear? So start construction of 90 degrees first. Take with convenient radius, any radius. Okay? Clear? Understood? So with this, draw an arc. Clear? The point C here, which is intersecting on AB. From point C to D, cut this arc. And again from D to E. Okay? Clear? Done, right? Okay? From this, the same radius, again from point to D, you have to draw an arc. And from E, you have to cut that arc. Okay, so DE, this is F. So with the dotted lines, you can join FA. This is 90 degrees, right? So now we have to angle bisect. First we have to divide this half off. So for that, what we have to do? You can measure this one. A2, here A, B, C, D, E, F. B, C, D, E, F. So you can take as a G here. Okay? So from C to G, take more than half. Okay? Here this is more than half I took here. Okay? From this, cut this arc. Okay? Draw an arc from C, then from G, cut that arc. Okay? Clear? Now this is a point H. Join these two points H and A with the dotted line. So somewhere you have done mistake. Exact points if you take, you will get 22.5. Clear? This is 45 degrees. Understood? So from this point and from this point, we take this one as a I. Okay? So from this, take more than half, draw an arc. From this point, cut that arc. Okay? Now join these two. Yes. This is if you take as a J. So angle JAB is equal to 22.5 degrees. Right? So first we have taken line AB. From the center A, we have drawn one arc. Okay? From C, we have cut that. From D, we have cut this arc as a E. Again from center E, we have drawn one arc. From D, we have cut that arc, so it will become 90 degrees. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So this one you can draw by dotted line. Okay? Now here the point is G, you can write. This is point G. Here you can find F, X. Okay? Or you can write here H. Continue. Understood? From point G and from point H, take more than half. After this, take more than half. From H to, yeah, see, this is more than half, right? Everyone? Understood? Draw an arc. From point G, cut this arc with the same radius. Understood? Until here you have drawn, right? From this to this, H to G, take more than half here, like this, more than half, measure and draw an arc. Okay? With the same radius, put a pointer on G and cut that arc. Done? Okay. So now join these 2 points. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? This is I we can take. Now the I, A, B. Angle I, A, B is 135 degrees. After drawing that, you can measure by using the protractor, you can measure, you will be getting 135 degrees. So here, construction of 75 degrees, right? So for that, what we have to do? First construct 90 degrees, construct 60 degrees, then 90 degrees, then angle bisect from 60 to 90, you will be getting 75, okay? Do with me. So first, what we have to do? Draw a line, A, B, array, okay? Now start with the center as A. So draw an arc. Right? Okay. So here you can write this point as a C. From point C, cut this arc. It will be D with the same radius from D to E. Okay? The same radius from D to draw one more arc, and from E cut that arc. This is F. Now with the dotted lines you can draw this one, okay, 90 degrees. And already we know this one is a 60 degrees. Okay. Now from this A, B, C, D, F, G. Okay. From point G and point D, we have to construct the angle bisector. We have to find the angle bisector of D and G in between. So close this one and take more than half. It's a more than half. Draw an arc here. From G, another arc. Okay. The intersection point of this G and D. Here you can join these 2 points. You take GH. Okay, understood. So now you will get this one, which is a 75 degrees angle. HAB. HAB is equal to 75 degrees. Done? One second. Okay. So first thing what we have done here, AB line we have taken, right? With the convenient radius, we have drawn one arc from here to there. Okay. Based on this C point, we have cut this arc. It became a 60 degrees. Okay. From this point, we have cut this one. This is E. Okay. From these 2 points, we have constructed the 90 degrees. Clear? Okay. So 90 degrees line is this one. This 60 degrees line is this one. But we need a 75 degrees. So we have to do the angle bisector of 90 and 60, between 90 and 60. So this is 30 degrees angle is there. So we have bisected that one. So we got this one. So H. So H is BRHSC. It is a 75 degrees angle. Right?
Sir, after drawing 90 and 60 degrees, what we have to do?
Yeah, from the point G.
G, sir.
Okay, take more than half. From point G, draw an arc with the same radius from point D. Cut that arc.
Okay.
Okay, now join the intersection point will become as a H. From H to A, you can draw a line.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah. Here, the construction of 105 degrees angle. Right? So for that, what we have to do first, take this line A, B. Okay? So it will be in between 120 and 90. If you construct 120 degrees and 90 degrees, if you do the angle bisector of this, you will be getting 105 degrees. Okay? So for that, based on center A, draw an arc. Right? Point C, cut this one. CD. So it will be a 60 degrees, right? With the same radius, you cut this one here. So it will be a 120 degrees. Okay? You join this one. You will be getting this one as a 120. Okay? After drawing this, you can measure, you can get this 120 degrees. Right? Now we have to check the 90 degrees. With the same radius, right? Upside one draw, one arc. From base and D, another. Cut this A, B, C, D, this is E, this is F. Okay? Now in between these two only we need a 15 degrees. right? We have to do the angle bisect of this angle only. So what we have to do? Close this one from point this. We can write here F. This is G. Okay. Okay. From point G, take more than half. Draw an arc. From point E, cut that arc with the same radius. Okay. Now join these 2 points.
Sir, for every angle bisector, same process we have to do.
Same process. Okay, so A, B, C, D, F, G, H. We are taking this one H, A, C. H, A, C or H, A, B. We can take this one as a 105 degrees angle.